Hi, good morning, all of you. Welcome to our English class. In the previous class, we completed the question answers and choose the correct option, true or false, this all. And today, we will go to page number 64 words. All of you take page number 64. I think all of you completed the question answers. All of you study well, okay? And all of you write it in your fair copy very clearly and send to me, okay? Some of you already sent, so those who did not send, today send it, okay? And all of you listen, okay? Words, page number 64. Homophones. Homophones. Okay, look at the picture and read the words given below. Then, see, hair. First one, hair. You know that is what a bal, okay? Bal means hair. Next one, hair. H-A-R-E, hair. Hair means rabbit, khargosh. Yes, no? Here you can see both pronunciation is same, but spelling is different and meaning also different. Okay, like these words are there in English. Pronunciation is same, but spelling and meaning will be different. Okay, come to the next page number 65. Both the words have the same pronunciation but different meaning. Such words are called homophones. Okay, underline all of you, study well. Okay, what do you mean by homophones? What is homophones? Homophones means both the words have the same pronunciation but different meaning. Such words are called homophones. Remember it, okay? Means both the two words have same pronunciation but different meaning and different spelling also. Homophones are two or more words that are pronounced the same but different in meaning and spelling. Example here. Example is given there. Right, right, right. Both right. Here first one right means likhna. Second one's right means correct, sahi. Okay, this first one WRIT. There W is silent. Okay, then right only will come. Second one RIGHT, right. Example usage also given there. I write fast and neatly. Second one, my house is to the right, whereas his is on the left. All of you understood, I think. They here choose the correct homophones. Here's two. These homophones are given there. We have to choose the correct word according to the meaning. They had dinner at dash. Here two words are given there. Eight. EIGHT or ATE. They had dinner at 8. EIGHT will come there now. 8. 8 baje. 8. Second 8 means khaliya. They had dinner at. They had dinner at. At means their time we have to mention. Okay, 8. You need to join. Second one, okay. You need to join that queue and wait for your turn. Wait, WEIGHT also, WAIT also. Okay, you should know the meaning of these words, then only you can write the choose the correct word. Okay, here wait, WEIGHT wait means ojan. WAIT wait means in the zar karna. Here second one WAIT wait will come. No, you need to join that queue and wait for your turn. तुम्हारा टर्न के लिए इंतजार करना होगा. WAIT, wait. Third one, the workshop will be for a week. The workshop will be for a week. Here WEAK week, WEEK week. Here two words are given there. WEAK week means kamjor, no? WEAK week means saptah. Here second one will come. The workshop will be for a week. एक सप्ताह के लिए, a week के लिए, WEAK week. Fourth one, the weather is unpredictable nowadays. Weather means climate, mosam. WEATHER, weather. That is the answer, no? First one is the option. And second one, WHETHER, weather means दोनों में कोई. दोनों में कौन सा आएगा, दोनों में कोई एक, वही मीनिंग आएगा. Here first one is the correct option. It is difficult to dash her speech from this end. HERE. Here HERE means what? Either. Here, come here, either. HEAR here means sunna. Here second one will come, no? HEAR here. We went to Dash house yesterday. We went to there. THEIR. Went to there. उन लोग का घर में गया कल. Then THEIR will come there. उन लोग का. THERE there means udar. Udar meaning will come. Okay. THEIR there here. Okay. Seventh one. The bee stung my brother on the hand. Here BE and BEE. You know that BEE, bee. Madhumakhi, no, bee. Bee stung my brother on the hand. BEE will come, no? First B means hair. E is form, no? B's form, you know that. You learn already. Take care of your purse or you may lose it. पर्स में ध्यान देना है, अदरवाइज इट में लॉस, नुकसान हो जाएगा, लॉस हो जाएगा. Always we are using this word, no? Here first one is lose. Lose means ढीला. LOSE loss means नुकसान होना. LOSE loss will come here, no? Loss. Which pair of socks do you want? Which pair? Pair. PAIR. Okay, pair. Which pair? Joda. Which pair? Joda. Okay, joda. And the second one, pear means one kind of fruit that is available in the market, just like apple. Okay, that one. Shape is just like apple, green color. Okay, pear. Number 10. Knit the dove well. Net means the finger se dabna hai. Knit the dove well. Here dove means first one dove means a female deer. Okay, female deer ko DOE dove bolta hai. Second one dove means mixture of flour. Okay, आटा सानता है ना, उसको बोलता है dove well. The knead the dove well. Knead the dove well. Second one, okay, dove, DOUGH. Okay, all of you study well. Okay. Today we learn homophones. You understood, I think, what is homophones. Both words have the same pronunciation but a different meaning and different spelling. Such words are called homophones. Example also we learn. All of you do it well, okay? And in your textbook also, tick it, okay? The correct option you tick, choose the correct homophones and send to me. That's enough today, okay? Okay then, bye.